Hitch Haiku. Hitch Haiku is a haiku creation support system that allows you to experience Japanese culture through haiku by hitching together phrases from the context of 1,000 Books and 1,000 Nights in the navigation city of books. Let's journey into our creation. Here we have 2 million books laid out like a town, a city of books, if you will. There is a vast array of books, dictionaries, chronological tables, encyclopedias, etc. In the east, there are books from all over Asia. Toward the south, it spans mainly from Greece to Rome, Europe, and America. Toward the west, we have books on biochemistry, electronics, and media or technology. And in the north are the histories of matter and life, and those of languages and human society. Among all of the works compiled, there is a context formed by the meaning of each book. The navigation city of books is like an actual city in the way that it is divided. For example, in the area labeled Expanding Europe, you might find a row of books related to the themes of Renaissance, British Empire, Gothicism, or Modern State. For the way of Japan, a bookshelf with court nobles, samurai warriors, Edo society, or Meiji culture will appear. Under Problems with Mind and Body, there is The Society of Mind by Artificial Intelligence's Marvin Minsky, and Hal's Legacy, themed on mind and body. Nearby is Desmond Morris's The Naked Ape, based on the theme of evolution and the human body. Never-before-seen intelligent guidance based on the information from this book situated in the vast electronic library space is now possible. While visiting users stroll through the city, they will be connected to all 7 volumes of reading philosophies for the 1,000 books spanning time and globe covered by 1,000 Books and 1,000 Nights, which was originally written by Seigo Matsuoka in 5 years' time on the web before being rewritten and published. The users can select a word from the text in 1,000 Books and 1,000 Nights. A haiku is generated by the computer using its immense association capabilities, which surpass human imagination, and intelligent contents emerge. The man behind its conception, Seigo Matsuoka, is also responsible for the navigation city of books, which is full of meanings and contexts from books spanning all eras and origins. Japan's ancient poems, haiku, are the world's shortest, constructed using 5-character, 7-character, and 5-character lines. Despite having the least words, they are deep, including multiple meanings and kigo, which describe any of the seasons, New Year's, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, and can portray a large scene in one's mind. The originator of the poetry with these features is 17th century poet Basho Matsuo. Basho wrote many poems in his travelogue, The Narrow Road to the Deep North. As can be seen in the famous Basho haiku, The Old Pond, A Frog Jumps In, The Sound of Water. Basho's style is artistic elegance. In other words, it stays away from vulgarities. There is a sense of feeling in its subtlety, which leads to a phrase. When the keyword of a book hidden in the navigation city of books is selected, the title and author's names of books with the keyword appear. Then the volume of 1,000 Books and 1,000 Nights from which it comes appears, and settles on the page of 1,000 Books and 1,000 Nights featuring the chosen book. When the user chooses words he or she wants to include in the haiku from the 1,000 Books and 1,000 Nights text, they are marked in green. Next, when he or she chooses 2 of them to actually be used in the poem, they are marked in red. In order to make 5- and 7-character phrases out of the words input by the user, the computer connects kire-ji, like ya, kana, or keri, or particles to the end of user input words. At the same time, it performs Japanese language morphological analyses on the words picked by the user and extracts morphemes that are prototypes of nouns, verbs, adjectives, and predicate adjectives. It searches for words related to the extracted morphemes from over approximately 20,000 related terms via synonym, haiku synonym, kigo, idiomatic, case frame, and learning databases. It selects the chosen kigo and the related arbitrary terms from 1,000 Books and 1,000 Nights, chooses that phrase as one related to the user's input, and generates a haiku. Phrases are translated into English. When haiku generated in Japanese are translated using Japanese English translation software, archaic words need to be done precisely. For example, the phrase kinu needs to be translated as has come, but is mistakenly translated into does not come. Therefore, we have created a specialized glossary for use with translating archaic terms into English. If a user does not like the haiku generated by the computer, the section in question can be rewritten and replaced with a suitable phrase. The generated haiku can then be recorded in a haiku notebook. As with Julia Kristeva's word, intertextuality, it is possible to bridge new contextual meanings and intertext with the structure of The Navigation City of Books, 1000 Books and 1000 Nights, and haiku.